Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Drive Update. Today we're taking a detailed look at the new Holland TC5.30 Combine Harvester, a versatile machine designed for efficient multi-crop harvesting. The TC530 features a powerful 6-cylinder, a 30-horsepower turbocharged engine, giving it the performance needed for demanding harvesting operations. Its rotary air screen helps protect the engine from dust, while the machine is designed to work across a wide range of crops, including wheat, barley, rice, sunflower, sorghum, corn, soybeans, and pulses. At the front, the TC530 can be equipped with a 15-foot, approximately 4.6-meter cutter bar, making it capable of covering a wide harvesting path. The reel speed can be adjusted from the platform or cabin, helping operators manage harvesting conditions more effectively. For threshing and separation, the machine uses a large threshing drum measuring approximately 1.297 meters by 0.60 meters, combined with a rotary separator and 5 straw walkers. Its double cascading sieve cleaning system and variable blower fan help separate harvested grain efficiently. The grain tank is listed at 3,000 liters on New Holland's India specification page, while some regional New Holland pages list 3,500 liters, so capacity can vary by market and configuration. The machine uses 4 forward and 1 reverse gear, with large front and rear tires for field operation. Overall, the New Holland TC530 combines strong engine performance, multi-crop capability, a wide header, efficient threshing, grain handling, and practical operator controls. If you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive Update for more combine harvester, tractor, truck, car, and motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching.